Hello fam, good morning. Maayong buntag, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Good morning and maayong gabi, good evening dira sa Pilipinas. At may schedule tayo sa Honda. So I mentioned this in my video last time na meron nga akong letter of extended warranty. So let's go to Honda today. Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, ihahatid muna natin ang ating mga kiddos. There you go, si Liane. And where's my kuya? Di pa nga bihis si kuya. Ay, good morning. You say good morning. Maayong buntag.
Good morning.
Okay, you say maayong buntag.
Maayong buntag.
Ayan, so tinuturuan natin syempre ng ating native language na Bisaya, and kailangan niya pa ng Ilonggo and Cebuano, and of course Mommy's Tagalog. So there you go fam, samahan niyo ulit ako and tingnan natin kung ano yung ma-avail natin for the extended warranty. Sana hindi tayo mapamahal kasi sa dealership tayo pupunta, alam niyo naman. So there you go. Yan. Binulong ko pa pero nonetheless, so let's just be careful there kasi mag-upsell talaga yan sila. And all, syempre business nila yan. But yeah, let's check it out. Ito ang dadalhin natin, ang Odyssey. Kasi mataas na ang kilometers kasi nito and need na talaga siyang i-tune up. So the goal is, let's try if magagawa ng paraan ng kasa na ma-tune up siya dahil may extended warranty. So there you go, just check lang natin ang oil levels, all good, and that's it. Start na natin ang car. Ayan, so there you go fam, naka-start na. Perfect naman siya except for that engine light na nawawala minsan and then lumilitaw din minsan. So there is something really that's wrong. Still fine. It's been like that for a year or close to a year na. And chinek ko naman siya. It's just more on the O2 sensor. But yeah, that's why we're going to Honda dealership today. Just for them to be able to check and let's see if that can be covered by the extended warranty. So there you go, hatid lang natin ang mga kids and let's go! And there you go fam, we're reaching Honda. So hanapin lang natin kung saan ang service center nila dito. Sabi sa likod daw but let's check out kung paano and kung saan. Okay, pasok na tayo dito sa service check-in nila. Again, our purpose here is to get a free tune-up. So tingnan natin if mafi-free nga ang ating tune-up based on their diagnosis. Pero nonetheless, I need to pay kasi around parang 200 to 300 for their diagnosis. So let's see. Yan yung service center nila. It's my first time here in Honda. So medyo busy. Busy sila. Ang daming mga sasakyan din. Daming tao. For sure for servicing, but let's check out. Alright, so there you go. Very efficient naman yung check-in nila. And yeah, nakalagay dito yung name and yung mga initial na gagawin. So technician will complete a complimentary multi-point inspection. So that costs 0. And then the recall check, there's no recall, so 0. And then C there is diagnose customer's concern, 108, and then diagnose customer's concern, spark plug issue, engine light is on, please check and advise if under warranty. And then shuttle service, actually kung kailangan kong bumalik sa bahay, it's gonna be free. So nag-ask lang yung lady na i-turn off daw yung sasakyan. O nga naman, kasi enclosed space siya and walang ventilation, so we need to turn off the car. So let's just wait for the service advisor there kung ano ang pwede niyang gawin and how are we going to proceed for today's service inspection. So, see you later! So, kukunin na ni Kuj ang ating sasakyan. So, let's go there! There you go. Meron pa sila na itong mga 10% off.
Meron ka ba yung Go Auto app, kuya?
There you go, fam. Lumitaw dito sa Go Auto app. So, what's next, bro?
It just says... Oh, there you go, kuya. I'm just gonna scan it. And
Okay.
then basically, if you're gonna get your maintenance here, kuya, you can get a every time you pay something, you get 5% cash back. Any
Nice.
repairs, 10% off.
Okay. We've checked in and we're gonna be riding the free shuttle going home. So it will take daw the whole day yung diagnosis. So mamaya balik tayo dito and then is it this one? Alright, okay, sure. Oh, the new Odyssey. Yan, naghatid tayo ng old. Alright, so coming from Honda, we're going home. And I got a free shuttle from TNT Honda with this very nice Honda Odyssey. Alright, so dito na tayo sa bahay. And thank you for the free ride, sir. There you go. TNT Honda shuttle. Ganda. Okay, so we're home, fam, and ayun, maganda naman ang experience ko with the Honda dealership and very efficient nila and saktong syempre Filipino talaga kung pwede ang ipapa-service advisor nila. So, very good. So, hopefully, yung findings nila ay pwede natin i-claim ang service warranty. Service advisor, hindi niya rin masabi na kung masasama ba or hindi. So, really depends on the mechanical kung ano ang makikita nila. Pero bubuksan talaga nila yung engine, etc. So, that's why the whole day. Of course, mamaya pagkuha natin ng sasakyan kasi kailangan pa daw i-order yung parts, etc. And then, saka lang siguro nila isa-schedule for repair. Mamaya pagkuha natin dun sa van, check out din tayo ng mga sasakyan doon. Hindi ko na nagawa ngayon, yun sana yung plan ko. Kaya lang nung nagsabi ako doon sa check-in shuttle, may available na daw, pwede na daw akong ihatid. So nagpahatid na ako para hindi tayo maabala din sa work. Medyo nagutom na si Daddy Lauren, so prepare lang tayo ng quick breakfast natin. Scrambled egg and toast bread. So, meron pa akong mga around 30 minutes para kumain. So, there you go. Bago tayo sumabak sa ating work for today. Yan. And gusto ko palang scrambled egg is yung medyo malasado. So, ayoko nung luto-luto. I don't know. Parang nasanay lang ako. Parang luto ni Mama. Medyo malasado talaga eh. So, kain na kami. Isn't the volume of the fields that needs to be completed. Remember we talked about a quick save so that we can have like a draft. Hello. This is the start of more or less our next sprint. So that's what we call it in our language, IT language. So it's gonna be 2 to 3 weeks of work, and this is where we prepare and put focus on with regards to the requirements, and then dapat align kasi ang buong team. So we need to discuss every detail there. So there you go. Pa pala tayo nakakapag-weather check today. So medyo maulap, and actually it was drizzling early this morning. There you go. Yeah. And, look at that courtyard of ours. Green na green. Okay fam, so that's it. 10-minute break lang kami. Ako nga yung nag-request pa ng break. At nakaupo kami ng mga 1.5 hour na. So yeah, let's go back. Hello fam, and we're back. So nandito na si Mami.
Hi fam.
Nakatulog ka ba, lab? O hindi kailangan? Medyo normal pala ang shift ni Mami today. 6 a.m. So there you go. And nag-abala pa talaga tong sisters namin and brother from Cochlin. Yan.
Yes.
Meron kaming donut meal.
Thanks sis Diane and bro Jelvin. Grabe. Thank you so much. Kakauwi pa lang nila from Cochlin.
Yeah.
At nag-abala pa sila para sa pasalubong.
And galing ng Pilipinas din ang mga yun.
Yes.
Ayun. So thanks again bro. At magkakasalisi pa tayo. Buti na lang nagkaabot ng 5 minutes.
Yes.
So there you go. Papunta na kami kina Davon and kay Lianica. So susunduin na natin sila and diretso tayo ng Honda. So tumawag na sa akin fam ang service guy doon at nagsabing, well sir, dahil naayos nyo na ang mga spark plugs and all, hindi na masasama daw siya sa extended warranty.
Yeah,
sabi ko,
sayang.
yun lang yung assumption ko kasi inayos ko kasi. So paglagay nila, pag-check nila, wala na yung mga codes for the spark plug, wala na mga misfire dahil nga inayos ko na siya before. Hindi na tuloy siya na isama. So sobrang sayang talaga nung ano. But wala akong choice kung hindi ayusin siya. Kasi that was 1 year ago ko nabili. So the only code daw na meron yung sasakyan namin is yung O2 sensor, which is very minimal or sometimes nga hindi na pinapansin yun ng mga car owners pag mga ganon. Kasi pwede naman, gumagana naman ang sasakyan unless na affected na talaga yung performance. So ayun, medyo masasayang ang ating dala dun sa dealership, and I was really hoping sana na
May something na
maaayos or mangyayari. So well, magbabayad lang tuloy ako ng around $180. Although the service guy naman Pinoy, so shout out to you bro, hindi ko na lang i-mention yung name mo, binigyan niya ako ng discount. Parang download this app, yung kaninang pinakita ko rin, para magkaroon ng 20% discount. So ayun, nagka-discount ako pero wala daw siyang magagawa talaga kasi pag check wala nang mga codes, walang error. Pero you know, the engine is rattling, pero I think okay lang naman yung engine eh. Kayang-kaya pa naman eh. So ayun, so there you go, pupuntahan na namin ng Honda and then try natin magtingin ng mga sasakyan. So first time namin mag car window shopping ni Mami. Hindi pa namin nagagawa yun eh. So tingnan namin. Okay, so see you later.
And nasundo na namin ang kids. Ayan na, sis Dayan.
Yeah, look.
Siyempre, kumakain na agad ng
And I got a speckle.
donut. Merienda time.
Parang ngayon lang ako nakakita ng donut.
Thank you so much. First time namin makakakain din itong donut meal. So we will try. Mukhang masarap
special
talaga.
Eh. Oo, kasi kakaiba siya, parang artisan donut eh.
Yeah. Thank you so much again. Mauubos na to. Hindi pa kami nakakarating sa bahay.
Oo. Wala na pagkakaukuha na ako.
Oo. Dito na tayo fam sa Honda.
Honda. Pick up
Honda.
natin ang
Odyssey.
wala namang nagawa.
Ayan.
Sayang talaga. So let's go. New vehicles, used vehicle sales, parts, shipping.
Dito tayo. First time ko nakapunta dito.
Yeah, ako din.
Yeah.
So siguro nilabas na nila. Yan na yung ano natin.
Ayan.
Odyssey na. Ako lang sa car wash.
Ayan. Ang daming nakapark dito.
They took our Honda
Parts and
Odyssey.
service. Yeah.
They took. Wait.
Okay, so baba lang tayo and
They
kunin
steal.
natin ang ating
They
Odyssey.
actually steal
And
our Honda
dediretso si Mami dun sa brand new cars. Mag-window
Kung
shopping.
pwede pa. Kung pwede pa.
Okay, let's go! Yes. Pwede pa ba silang mag-check dun sa ano? Sa showroom niya?
Ayan, so punta tayo dito sa showroom nila. Check natin kung merong magandang car. Ayan, TNT Honda. Ayan, there you go. Kuya, let's check it out, the car. Look. Car. Let's see. Wow. Kuya, look at that.
No,
What car is this?
I don't want to check that.
Come here. Which one? One with a TV? Oh, wow. This one, Kuya, Honda Pilot. This is the one that we checked before. Halika, Kuya, dito. May TV dito, Kuya. Honda Pilot. Ganda. Leather. Magkano na siya ngayon? Oh, ayan. 63,000. Special price daw. Oh, ang ganda. And what is this car? Hi, honey.
Honda
This is
Pilot.
only a... No, this is the Honda Pilot. This is not a Honda Pilot. This is a... Let me check kung ano to. So, this one is Honda Civic. 42,000 na ang brand nila. Ang ganda ng color din. Favorite color ko. Blue. Yan. Ganito yung car ni Daddy sa Pilipinas before. Pero kulay puti. This one. Kuya, this one. Look, this white. I like this too. And then also this one is the white color Honda Civic. $39. Ganda.
39?
Yep.
39. Pwede ah.
Yeah. Look at that. Walang Honda Odyssey sila nakalagay. Wala silang Honda Odyssey naka-display today. Ayan. One more. Wow. Go one more. Galing. Oh, meron sila Honda 2026 CR-V na hybrid. 53,000 na lang. Wow na lang. 53,000 siya. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda din. Wow. I like the color. White and black cream. Ganda. Ayan. Amoy na amoy bago. Sana makabili ng... Daddy, sana makabili ng bago, 'di ba? And this one is Honda Pass. Honda Passport? Ah, para siyang ano.
SUV din. 65.
Oh, wow.
Let's ask
Ganda. Ganda. Kuya, gusto mo to? This is a new one, new model daw. Honda Passport. Ayan fam, nag-check na kami ng Honda Odyssey, new model. I-check lang naman natin. Ayan.
This is like a test drive unit, love. So it's second hand.
Ah, okay.
And I just asked the price. So, okay, come on. Come on, Kuya. It's automatic.
Yeah. I-check. Oh, wow.
Is that what you want? And then there's a big, huge TV over there.
And it's a leather one. Is it a leather? Yep. Oh.
Sobrang luwag eh. Sobrang
Oo.
luwag talaga. At
Yeah.
sabi naman ni Dwayne, I asked Dwayne kung nalulubog siya sa snow. May time, pero hindi naman daw masyado talaga.
Oh.
Kayang-kaya naman. I mean, I used ours for when it was really snowing heavily. Yeah, this is what I rode a while ago. It's really nice. You see, they have complete set, TV, everything.
Nice.
This one has 24,000, so
Bye-bye,
more or less still close to
Bye.
brand new.
Yeah.
Still closer, Brandon. There you go, fam. So, kunin na natin ang sasakyan na walang nagawa. Pero at least na-check nila. They actually sent me a video of the underneath. Yung mga bearing, mga brakes, brake pads. So, yun yung parang value na nakuha ko dito. And they've concluded na super okay pa lahat ng nasa baba niya. Wheels and everything. So, yung engine na lang, kailangan nating i-tune up talaga. So doon na lang sa friend namin ni Dwayne. Yan. So, there you go.
Yes!
And uwi na kami ngayon. Dalawa tuloy yung sasakyan natin. So uwi na kami. Siguro magpipizza lang kami.
For
Ng mga
tonight.
kids. Okay naman yung mga units.
Yeah.
Pero kailangan pag-isipan kasi big purchase yan.
Exactly.
So, tingnan natin if okay yung price nung last na Odyssey na nakita namin ni Mommy. Kasi wala silang presyo dun.
Yeah.
So, there you go. And thanks again for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next video.
Video.
Hang loose!